Well, hello there, YouTubers. Welcome back. On today's episode, we're going to be looking at this. This is the Core Innovations Retro Style Alarm Clock. And it also has Bluetooth speaker. So basically what we have here is a Bluetooth speaker, which has charging function. And it is a wireless alarm clock. So I do wonder what they mean by that. Does it function with your phone, or it just means that you don't have to plug it into the wall? So we are going to find out. So let's see in the back specifications: Bluetooth speaker, charging function, FM radio, sleep music, aux input, rechargeable 1200 milliamp battery. And in the box there's the alarm clock, USB cable, aux cable, quick user guide, user manual, and warranty card. So let's open it up. Wow, this is impressive. So this is the charging cable that you get. It's just a regular micro USB type A, I believe. And I have to tell you, this is the aux cable, which I'm not really going to use it. I'll try to demonstrate it, maybe. But in person, this is just impressive. I mean, you look at that picture, and this in person is something else. Give me 1 second. Anyway, so let's open it up. Wow. I am definitely loving this already. Okay, so basically what this is a 6-in-1 device. It's an alarm clock, 1, FM radio, 2, Bluetooth speaker, 3, sleep sounds, 4, power bank, 5, wired speaker, 6. Okay, so before we power it up, I want to show you what's in the back. We have the volume down button. We have the pause and play button. We have the volume up button, the sleep sounds, modes, and previous and next. Over here we have 2 knobs, the alarm and time. Those are just standard. There's nothing else to say about that. And down here we have the power on and off. We have this USB charge if you want to charge your phone. We have a clock charge, 5 volts. We have the aux hole, there's a reset hole, and then the alarm on and off. So I'm going to cover most of these things. I'm not going to cover things like the radio because that doesn't interest me too much, and hopefully you won't be buying this for a radio. And let's power it up. So to charge it, you connect it over here. And then you have to move this switch to on. And you can see it starts moving. If I turn it off, it stops moving. So if I turn it on, it keeps moving again. So now let's see how the alarm sounds. So let me pick a random time. Let's first turn on the alarm like that. I know you can't see it because that's so tiny. But this is the sound for the alarm. And it has several sounds. I'm just going to pick one at random. There we go. Okay, so if you snooze it, it's going to stop for a while, and then it's going to come back on. So let me turn it off all the way. So you do have several sounds for the alarms. Let's just see a few. Let's listen to a few and see how they sound. And there'll be the sleep sounds over here. So let's pick a next. I don't know what that is, but it sounds like air. That's water. Sounds like the sea. Let me raise the volume. Night sounds. Night. That's a waterfall. Those are waves. That's a cascade. I think that's a shower or a fountain. Okay, so it starts looping. Okay, so the next thing I want to do, I'm not gonna talk about the FM radio because I'm not interested in that.
Set up alarm song.
So here's where you set up the alarm song. So let's pick I like that one.
Alarm song selected. Set snooze sound. Snooze sound selected.
Okay, so let's test the alarm again. So let's first turn it, move it away from there and turn the alarm on. Okay, so that's nice. So we already know how to set up the time and alarm. I'm not going to teach you that because that's just a regular time clock. So the next thing I want to do is do the Bluetooth setup. So I have a phone over here and let's go into settings. There we go, settings and connected devices. And then Bluetooth. And over here we're going to go to modes.
FM radio. Bluetooth setup. Searching.
Okay, so it's searching. Pair new device. I'm going to connect it right here to Renys. And then click on pair.
Bluetooth device is connected.
Okay, so it's connected. So now let's just find the song. Okay, so I found the song on YouTube. So you can pause it from here and you can do some more. You can do next. I'm going to pause that because I don't want to get a copyright strike. Okay, so I want to demonstrate the charging function. So you can charge your phone from the clock. So you plug it in like this, and you're going to see this turn on. There we go. So that's basically the purpose of having this. And once the battery is fully charged, you can even charge it without this being plugged in. So that's fairly amazing. So it doubles as a, basically what it is a power bank. That's what you get. You get a power bank. Although I wouldn't use it that way because that would run down the battery and then the clock would stop working. So, but anyway. Okay, so now let's test the aux function. So you plug this in back here.
Auxiliary.
And then you plug that into the radio if you have one. And then we turn it. It's very short. Oh, never mind. There we go. So let's go here.
FM radio. Bluetooth setup. Auxiliary mode.
Okay, there we are.
Se reportó un incendio en el almacén central del mercado oriental. Los comerciantes vecinos hablaron con nuestros reporteros. Nos dijeron que una pequeña fábrica de fuegos artificiales causó el...
Okay, so that's what auxiliary mode does. You connect it to your device. It could be a TV or it could be a radio. And this works as a wired speaker. Instead of a Bluetooth speaker, it's a wired speaker, but you can also use it as a Bluetooth speaker. So that's pretty cool. Let me turn this off. Okay, so now I want to test the lume, see if this glows in the dark. I'm going to put a lamp in front of it, and then I'm going to turn everything off and see if it'll glow. So let me turn off the main lights. And let me turn off the camera lights. Okay, so I'm going to charge it up. I'm going to leave it a few more seconds. Okay, I'm going to turn it off in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so that's nice. So it does glow in the dark, but it is starting to fade away. Okay, so as far as the tick-tock sound on this clock, I'm going to turn the fan off and I'm going to be very quiet, and we're going to see what kind of tick-tock sound it generates. Okay, so it's very, very faint. So this is not going to bother you at all. So you also get, let's see, over here, when you set up sounds, let's go back to sounds. So the Bluetooth works okay, so I'm fine with that. So when you set up sounds, you have a choice of 15, 30, or 60. So that's 15. That's 30. and that's 60. So without it, it means that it's indefinite, so you can just change the sound. Okay, so it's a beautiful device. It does look nice in person, but overall, I do recommend it. I think it's nice, mainly for the aesthetics, because it does look very nice, very futuristic. And as far as the audio quality, I'm not sure I would recommend it for that. If you want a very good Bluetooth speaker, I would go for the Sony SRS XB33. That is amazing, unbelievable. So thank you for watching, subscribe, and thumbs up.